Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Hands. Give me your hands. Hey, stop.
Imagine driving home to your family after a long, exhausting day at work, and suddenly, out of nowhere, a vehicle comes straight at you. The scene turns chaotic. Vehicles are mangled and crushed, and this is the reality these individuals are facing in the aftermath of a multi-vehicle collision.
No pulse. All right, that's not gonna work.
On Friday, December 12, 2025, at approximately 12:30 a.m., what should have been nothing more than a traffic ticket became a decision to run, ending in a violent multi-vehicle collision at Stoakley Road and Route 4. Stay with us as everything spiraled out of control.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Hands. Give me your hands. Hey, stop. Stop reaching. Get out.
The driver of the Nissan has been identified as Savon Samuel, a 32-year-old male from Pikesville.
Why are you running, man? Stop moving. Stop moving. Hey, stop.
What's up?
All right, stop moving, dude. He's slippery. Just, he's reaching for something.
Oh my God.
All right. Hey, check. Stay with him, check him. I'm gonna go check on everybody else. Who owns in this car? Yeah, we got 3 vehicles disabled in the intersection. Can we get a couple more units for... Oh, I guess never mind, there's no traffic. Alright. Just stay on him, please.
Please leave a like as a simple gesture of compassion and remembrance for the innocent victims affected by this tragedy.
267 Calvert, copy at 28 for the suspect vehicle. Gray Nissan Altima, correction Maxima. Can you copy 2 more Maryland 28s? Kia SUV. Blue Honda Civic. No pulse. Alright. That's not gonna work. Alright. You already yank on it pretty hard?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
So just his right arm.
No, he's gotta stay there for now. Has he been searched yet?
I briefly checked his pocket.
Can you stand up? Alright. That was fucking stupid, just so you know. Direct. When I get a second, I'll have a VIN for you.
It's likely the suspect himself is still processing the consequences of his actions. What do you think is going through his mind right now? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Alright, if he's been searched, we can put him in you can put him in your car now. Where you at?
I'll get it.
Alright. Thank you.
Even in regret, he cannot undo the actions he took or the consequences they caused.
EMS is gonna come, alright. It looks like they might be coming up that way right now, okay? Okay, they're coming. Alright. Okay. I got you. Alright. Hey. Can you... What's up? I don't have my ID yet.
I know.
Hey, do you have an ID on you in the car?
Yes. Your wallet's in the car? Yeah, it should be.
Alright. I'm gonna go in the car and get your ID, alright? Can you... Because I'm gonna have a lot going on. Do you mind just gathering all the accident report stuff for me. I'll
So
do
the
the
people
accident
that walked over
report.
there, I'm assuming they came out of this.
Yeah, the lady's still trapped in that car. Hey, this car, she's trapped, no pulse.
Eventually, emergency responders arrived at the scene. Investigators stated that Samuel's vehicle struck a blue Honda Civic that was traveling through the intersection. The force of the impact pushed the Honda into a gray Kia Sorento that was stopped in the left turn lane. The driver of the Honda Civic, 58-year-old Servan Tamesha Gatewood, was found unconscious at the scene and transported to Calvert Health Medical Center, where she was pronounced dead at 1:28 a.m. The driver of the Kia Sorento and one passenger sustained non-life-threatening injuries and were transported for medical treatment. Samuel was also transported to a hospital for evaluation and treatment of non-life-threatening injuries while remaining in custody. Authorities confirmed that he was the sole occupant of the Nissan. Further investigation revealed that the license plate affixed to the Nissan was registered to a different vehicle. The Nissan's registration had expired in July 2025, and both associated license plates had been returned to the Maryland Motor Vehicle Administration. Samuel was charged with the following offenses: negligent manslaughter by vehicle, CR 2-2009, driving in violation of TR 21-904 C1, resulting in the death of another person. He was arrested and transported to the Calvert County Detention Center. For more real-world stories about poor decisions and the human cost behind them, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.